Well, why don't you just talk to me, ask me questions?
Well, okay, so tell me how you feel about coming up to Big Bear.
I really like coming up to Big Bear. It's a lot of fun. They have snow, and I took a snowball and I threw it into Amy's face for her birthday. She was on a swing, and she liked it, and then it melted. But Joanne got mad. Joanne said, "No, no, 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 no snowball fights."
What do you want to do today?
I would like to maybe get on a sled. Maybe go on a sled. And I want to go down a hill. I want to go down a hill really, really fast. I want to go down the hill fast.
Okay, tell me what you think of Amy.
Just a little bit like wacky, but really kind of nice. But she shakes a lot and stuff. Like she's crazy. She's fucking crazy. And sometimes she can get a little loosey-goosey. But we haven't seen that yet because it's only Saturday morning, so maybe Saturday night she'll get a little loosey-goosey.